Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are checking if the iPhone 12 is worth the upgrade from a 2-year-old generation iPhone, the iPhone XR. And the iPhone XR originally cost from 50,990 to 53,990. That was 2 years ago. While the iPhone 12 today costs around 49,990 to 58,990. And up to this day, the iPhone XR are still being sold in official Apple Store at 31,990 to 34,990. And there is actually a price cut. And I believe the reason why Apple is still selling their iPhone XR on their store is that they are confident enough that their iPhone XR can still compete with the other phones right now on the market. Now, let's try to check what is included in the box of the iPhone 12. And guys, if you will be buying the iPhone XR or the iPhone 12, both now comes in a slim package, meaning both does not include the charger brick anymore. And both will come with a USB-C to Lightning cable compared to the USB-A before to Lightning cable. Now it's USB-C. And for the specs, the iPhone XR have an A12 chipset while the iPhone 12 uses an A14 chipset. And per Antutu benchmark score, the A14 show a significant improvement up to 40% difference. But even though both phones have a different chipset, the feel and performance is actually almost the same. And don't be bothered with those scores. You can still have a great and smooth gaming experience on PUBG, Mobile Legends, and I think other games as well on the iPhone XR. And for the battery, the iPhone XR have a 2,942 mAh battery, while the iPhone 12 only have a 2,815 mAh battery. Actually, there's a difference around 100 plus. And for the network, the iPhone 12 is already capable of 5G, while the iPhone XR is not. For me, this is not a deal breaker since the things that consume most data on my phone is just Netflix and other video streamings or FB, while it only means that I can still use LTE and have a good 1080p resolution on my phone. And of course, 5G is not yet available on all locations, so it is actually limited on some location. And while for the Wi-Fi connectivity, the iPhone 12 is already capable of Wi-Fi 6, while the iPhone XR is not. Again, this is not a deal breaker for me because having an AC Wi-Fi already get the things done. But if you really utilize your wireless local area network, it will be a good choice to go with the iPhone 12. And you just need to make sure that you already have a Wi-Fi 6 router or an AX router to utilize that Wi-Fi 6 capability. And for the display, the iPhone XR have a liquid retina while the iPhone 12 have a Super Retina XDR OLED, in which on our side-by-side comparison, both actually have a stunning color display. For the iPhone 12, it is a better option on the actual test, but don't get me wrong, the iPhone XR is still a good choice. Side by side, you'll really notice the difference, but honestly speaking, watching the phone or watching videos on the phone individually, you won't really notice that so much difference. But side by side, of course, there will be. And for the camera test, guys, I'm not an expert with taking pictures, but this is the result on my test, and this first image is just a regular photo. While this second one is in portrait mode, in which I believe the iPhone 12 is really much superior. While on our front-facing camera, both are actually good and the difference is not that noticeable. While for the video, we have tested on a dark environment, only having a window light and the light coming from the computer. And it seems that the iPhone 12 is actually better. And even on a well-lit environment, the iPhone 12 is a clear winner. And there you have it, guys. those are only the camera tests that I was able to do on both phones. So the big question is, should you still consider buying the iPhone XR? For me, the difference is around less than 40%. If I'm on a tight budget, I will still consider the iPhone XR. And if I already have the iPhone XR, I might not consider buying the iPhone 12, since this is still a good phone and it really performs well on apps, games, and actually on apps and games they are actually almost similar. And one more thing, comparing side by side with a 2-year-old phone does not do justice. So I will be showing you some old photos taken from the iPhone XR, and maybe you can decide for yourself if the iPhone XR is a bad camera phone. And there you have it. I think some photos are actually good, captured from the iPhone XR. But guys, if your primary concern is having a good photo and video, or especially on dark environment, you should definitely go with the iPhone 12, since the iPhone 12 really stands out in dark places and maybe on well-lit environment. But the iPhone XR is actually good as well. And that's it, guys. I think that's all. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that button if you like the video, and subscribe button as well. And if you have comment and suggestion, just comment down below. I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. And thank you for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.